Hello friends, welcome to my YouTube channel Netaji Tally Education Center. Friends, please subscribe to my channel without fail. Friends, today we will discuss about how to enable auto calculator in Tally Prime. Regarding this, today we will discuss. Friends, generally there are two types of calculator in Tally Prime. One is normal calculator and another one is auto calculator. Shortcut key for normal calculator is Control N. Shortcut key for auto calculator is Alt plus C. So these are the shortcut key for auto calculator. So what is the shortcut key for auto calculator? Alt plus C. This is very important. When the using auto calculator, this is the point. At the time of cursor has come to the amount field. Suppose you are going to entering any transaction in purchase or sales, when cursor has moved to the amount field, then you press Alt C, it will activate. Then you can make the calculation. Okay friends? Advantages of auto calculator. When we enable auto calculator and when we make calculation, the ultimate answer will be appear in amount field. So this is the main advantages of auto calculator. When we enable auto calculator and we make calculation, the ultimate answer or result will be appear in amount field directly. But in manual, it is showing bottom of the normal calculator screen. Then we have to see that and enter manually in the amount field. So this is the difference between normal calculator and auto calculator. Okay friends, come let us see. I have already created one company and also created ledger account also. Okay, so come move to the vouchers. Go to the purchase voucher, press F9. So it is showing invoice mode. Change the mode into voucher mode, as voucher. Select as voucher. So transaction, go to the purchase transaction. This is for your reference. Okay. Goods purchased from Surya Enterprises, rupees 2,50,000, GST at 12%, invoice number 6497. Okay friends. So go to the purchase voucher, type the invoice number 6497, credit first. Here credit is Surya Enterprise. This is including 30,000 of GST tax. Actual purchase 2,50,000. Both CGST and SGST is 30,000. 2,50,000 plus 30,000, 280. So here select Surya Enterprises. Now cursor has come to the amount field. So now you have to press the Alt plus C for enabling auto calculator. Okay, I will press Alt C. This is very important. Press Alt C here. So now calculate. So what is the purchase amount? 2,50,000. Type 2,50,000. Friends, see here in the bottom 2,50,000 into 12%. 12 divided by 100 plus 2,50,000. 2,50,000. So 2,50,000 into 12 divided by 100. So that result is only 30,000 of GST, total GST. Plus 2,50,000. So 30,000 plus 2,50,000. Total amount is 2,80,000. That amount directly appeared in credit amount field. Press enter. New reference. See friend. So here including GST amount 2,80,000. See here. Including GST amount 2,80,000. So in this way you have to enable auto calculator in Tally Prime. Okay, so type 2,50,000. Select CGST. That CGST is 15,000. SGST is 15,000. Okay, friends. Now move to sales voucher. So change into voucher mode. Click on change mode. Select as voucher. So debit. Goods sold to Metabo Power Tools rupees 3,75,000, GST at 12%, invoice number 7534. Metabo Power Tools account data 4,20,000. This is including 45,000 total GST. So how to calculate direct amount in amount field? So enable auto calculator. Go to the tally, select Metabo Power Tools. So now cursor has come to the amount field. Now you have to press Alt C. Alt C. Now calculate. 3,75,000 is the sales amount. 3,75,000. Friends, see here in the bottom, into 12 divided by 100 plus 3,75,000. 3,75,000 into 100 3,75,000 into 12 divided by 100. The result is 45,000 plus 3,75,000. This is 4,20,000. So now that answer we get directly in debit amount field. Press enter. Type the invoice number 7534. See here, friend, 4,20,000 directly appear in amount field. Okay, so sales amount is 3,75,000. Select CGST, that is 22,500. Select SGST, 22,500. Okay, friends, you got it. How to enable auto calculator and how to make a calculation. So when we make calculation, when cursor has moved to the amount field, then only it will be activated. Please remember it. Okay, friends, I hope you got it. Okay, please subscribe to my channel without fail. Thank you for watching my video.